What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest and fastest way to gain Instagram followers. And guys, I went from 0 to 10,000 followers and then to 100,000 followers on a different account from doing this method. So you guys need to watch this video to the end if you want to find out how. Of course, if you find this helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But of course guys, as you can see, this is a brand new Instagram account that I just created. By the way guys, if you want to follow me, that's gonna be at Trog Media. But of course guys, yes, as you can see, I just created this Instagram account, and of course guys, right now, it is on only 1 follower. But of course guys, make sure you never 1 follower, because I'm going to be showing you how to get followers so fast guys. It's gonna be insane. But of course guys, yes, what you guys actually want to do is go to the search page here on Instagram guys and search for a very popular celebrity. So of course guys, right now I'm actually going to search for Cristiano Ronaldo guys, because I'm pretty sure he is the most followed person on Instagram. So of course guys, Cristiano Ronaldo right there. And of course guys, basically what you want to do is go to Cristiano Ronaldo's followers guys, so he's got 355 million followers. So of course guys, what we need to do is press on his follow account, then follow these people as fast as you can guys. So follow guys, and scroll through this list guys, and follow people as fast as you can. And of course guys, I'll show in just a second that this actually gains you Instagram followers guys so fast. So of course guys, just go through and follow as many people guys as you can, like this guys. Just literally go through guys and follow as many people as you can. Follow. It's honestly endless guys. Just keep doing guys, like follow. Just keep doing guys. Keep following as many people as you can guys. Let's go. Follow. Keep going guys. Follow. Keep going guys. Follow. I can't say it guys. Follow. And of course guys, just keep going and following as many people as you guys can. And of course guys, as you can see, in seconds you will get followers. So of course just wait, and as soon as I refresh guys, it's gonna give me followers. So let's refresh right now, and of course guys, take a look just like that. I'm getting Instagram followers so fast. How crazy is that? And of course guys, the more people actually follow guys, the faster I'm gonna get followers guys. So of course yes, just go ahead, follow Cristiano Ronaldo guys like this, and of course guys, you are going to gain Instagram followers so fast guys, like this. Follow right there. I know I missed it guys. Follow guys. Follow, and just keep doing it guys as much as you possibly can. And of course guys, keep in mind, the more people you follow guys, the faster you yourself are going to get followers. So guys, follow as many people as you possibly can guys, and trust me, the followers are going to come flying guys, thick and fast. Of course guys, take a look now. I'm just gaining so many followers guys. In the last like 20 seconds, I got 4 followers guys. Look at this guys. It's honestly insane. And yeah guys, that is the fastest way to actually gain followers here in 2021 guys. Of course, we've got Messi right now, and let's go guys. Follow. It's like so easy guys. Just follow them as much as you can guys. And of course guys, now I will get even more followers guys. Look at this guys. In the last 2 minutes, I've gained like 5 followers guys. I've just 5 times my following count guys, my followers count, in like 2 minutes guys, which is insane. So of course guys, yes, that is actually the fastest way to get Instagram followers guys. Another one right there 2 seconds ago guys, and yes, that is the fastest way to gain Instagram followers here in 2021. Another one guys, if you found this helpful, be sure to drop a like. Another one guys, but of course yes, if you found this helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.